Oh, here we go. The reveal. Oh, I think I'll need just a little bit of sanding and some little bit of touch up. Ready? And I did this one so it would have its own stand. You know, and I'll create a nice stand area for it. Make it a beautiful piece of art. Oh, wow. So there's a little work to be done. It's the stuff I enjoy. Dig out all that stuff. There'll be a bunch of stuff in between their hands too that I often use sculpting or dental tools for. Little hooks and patience. Sometimes it's not about the tools, it's about your patience. Sometimes it's about the tools. So I'll show more video later, but that gives you a nice idea. And anywhere there, like I'll sand down any bumpities, that's no problem. You can see skin texture, you can see the knuckles, you can see the nails, and anywhere there's even like a little nail chip or something, whether it be because of the product or manicure, I'll clean it up and make everybody's nails look nice. So, very cool. You can see the ring. So now to clean it up, and I'll do a little video later of that.
There we go.
So we did a hand mold for a newlywed couple. And I'm just going in and fixing, I don't want to lose any skin texture. I don't know, Brad, can you get in close and see that you can see the knuckles? And you can see the skin, pretty ring. But we need to do a bit of a manicure. We have the nail here and things like that. I like giving people a nice manicure. So I literally painted on, I have a video of this if anybody's interested, but I think most people just watch out of curiosity. But if you're interested in learning, I actually have a video on this of me doing it. I don't know if this is the right way to do this, if there's a special way of doing this, but I figured this out some time ago and it works great. And it's nice and smooth. So I just build it up, pat it down, wait for it to dry and shape it. But I still want it to be them. I don't want to change anything. This is it so far. And we'll do another little video in a little bit and I'll show you some more stuff.